What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now it's been 6 weeks and I've been away working hard in the background so I can progress the channel further. As you can see, the Porsche box that isn't here, but this for me is where it all started, with the Mercedes on the drive and fitting that carbon rear spoiler. Then we progressed to all the other modifications on the car. Then we bought the Porsche Boxster and I worked throughout the winter on the drive on the Porsche Boxster, and to be honest with you, it was an absolute nightmare. It was cold, it was wet, there was snow, there was ice. So at Christmas I started looking for a unit where I could store the cars and work on them securely, that was warm, that was under cover, and I just literally, if I wanted to leave the cars there, I could just leave them and didn't have to worry about it. And guys, I'm happy to say, yes, I've finally done it. I've got a unit. I've got that space that I need. So one, I can buy more cars, and two, I can work on the cars that I've got without worrying about the weather or even my neighbours. To be honest with you, it kind of, they must have thought I was mad, stood on the drive talking into a camera, which is what I'm doing now. And hi neighbours. Let's get on, let's get down to the unit, let me show you around. So we're here, this is what I've been working on for the past 6 weeks, the new unit. Let's open the door, let's go inside and show you guys around. So as you can see, like I said earlier, this is where the Porsche now lives. This is its home until it's back on the road. Obviously, we have the Mercedes in here, and that's to give you kind of a perspective of how big this actually is. This is so much bigger than working on my drive. So I've fitted lights on the wall. The electrician is coming this week to finish the wiring off of that. Obviously I can't do that. We've got a workbench area over at the back of the unit. Got a worktop coming again next week for that. Maybe put some cabinets on the walls. We come over here, obviously the trusted SGS toolbox with all my fancy tools in. Then obviously we've got some Porsche parts here, Porsche parts here. We're going to put some racking up here for storage. And then again, as we come around here, we've got lights on the wall, which will obviously shed light out into the unit. It's actually really, really kind of bright in here with no lights on. We've got no ceiling lights as of yet. We need some putting in. But at the moment, because it's kind of quite sunny outside, it's quite bright in here. But you can see this is just so much bigger than what we had on the drive. It's just brilliant. So there we are, guys. This is what I've been working on for the past 6 weeks. And I know I keep saying it, but it hasn't really sunk in yet. I've been working on the drive last year and starting with just putting the spoiler on the Mercedes. I never thought I'd get to this where I've got a unit and I've got the cars in, and I can get more cars in here, so therefore more content for you guys to watch and enjoy. But yeah, there you are. This has been my life for the last 6 weeks. It was not a pre-built unit. This has been built purely so we can do the cars here. So now I've shown you around the unit. I haven't even christened it. I've not done any work on either the Porsche or the Mercedes, but that's gonna change. And I'm gonna do something that I said okay, so I said I wasn't gonna do any more body mods on the Mercedes, but there's just one more mod, maybe two, but there's definitely one more mod that I'm gonna do in this video to the Mercedes. Let's show you what it is. So that's right, I've bought a Maxton E63 front splitter for the E63 front bumper. But this isn't an E63 front bumper. Well, it's not genuine, this is a replica. So I'm just hoping that this front splitter fits this front bumper. There's only one way to find out, and that's to get it on the car. So yeah, let's get on, get it fitted. So first things first, we get the car up in the air, get it on the axle stands. So the car's up in the air. One thing to do now is to use the jack, get this lined up, and then just kind of tech screw it in place and see what it looks like, and then pull it off. And obviously take off the wrapping. So yeah, let's get on, let's get it done. So we use the jack to line the front splitter up with the front bumper, just to see how it's gonna fit. And after several minutes of trying to get the splitter lined up, it was quite clear that something wasn't right. Okay, so as I thought, it was worth a shot, but this E63 front splitter does not fit this E63 look front bumper. And the reason is that this piece of trim here, where it curves down here, should fit in these curves here on this front splitter, and it doesn't, so there's no way that we can get this aligned. So there we are, guys. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, and in this video, I didn't really lose because it was a bit of a gamble, because this is an E63 look front bumper, not an E63 front bumper. So I knew there was some differences in the size, and I thought I could get away with it, but unfortunately I couldn't. So that's it for today's video, guys, and I hope you like the walk round of my new unit. More cars hopefully over the next couple of months will be coming. I've got to decide what to buy. I want something different. Let me know in the comments section below what you want to see on the channel. Obviously we've got the Porsche and we've got the Mercedes, but let me know in the comment section below what you want to see. And again, if you do like what you see, guys, don't forget, smash that subscribe button, turn the notifications on so you know when the new videos are dropping. Give me a thumbs up and comment in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video.